I have the distinguished pleasure of speaking today with His Excellency Mr. H.E. Alemayehu Tegenu. He's from the Ministry of Energy and Water in Ethiopia. Your Excellency, Huawei is dedicated to empowering the energy companies to realize automation and intelligence. Now, Huawei already serves 12 of the world's top 20 energy companies with the most completed ICT solutions. What's your impression of Huawei?
Yeah, especially this time, current energy without automation management is very difficult. So what Huawei is doing is very, very important to manage energy network currently.
So here at the 22nd World Energy Congress, Huawei is showcasing a 4G base station, unified intelligent meeting terminal, efficient solar power inverter, and more, all depicting how to drive smart energy via innovative ICT. So what's your impression of Huawei energy booths?
The energy booth is very, very, very impressive. We have learned a lot, and the booth responses the currently demand of energy network management.
In Africa, currently Huawei is running many energy projects, including a 100 kilowatt hospital solar system in Jordan and a 25 megawatt power station in Cameroon. Huawei highly respects the cooperation with Africa, trying the best to promote grid development together. So what's your impression of Huawei in Africa?
Huawei in Africa is expanding. This is good. There are a lot of energy solutions that we have seen at the booth. This type of solution is very important for Africa. We highly encourage Huawei expanding its work in Africa.
And what does Your Excellency think about the Huawei solar hybrid wind or diesel power station that provides different products from 1 kilowatts to 1 megawatt capacity for complying multiple scenarios in all weather?
This is very important, especially the place which are off grid. This type of energy solution is very, very important. So I appreciate and I encourage to continue such kind of job in Africa.
Does Your Excellency have any opinion or suggestion on the ICT technology development and Huawei cooperation in the future?
Yes, in the future, energy management is impossible without ICT. So I highly appreciate and encourage this implementation across the world.
Could Your Excellency please introduce the development trend of electric grid, hydropower, and solar power in Ethiopia?
Ethiopia has started energy development very aggressively from different sources: hydropower, wind, solar, geothermal, waste energy, and biofuels. Currently, 8,123 hydropower plant or project is under construction. This is very big for Africa. About 400 megawatt wind power is also under construction. We have a lot of solar home installation in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia, energy development and grid expansion is aggressively going on.
Finally, in Ethiopia, Huawei has more than 300 employees. That includes 100 Chinese staff and 200 local staff serving our customers. What's your expectation of Huawei in Ethiopia?
To continue its expansion in Ethiopia.
Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts with us today.